Tvinon tonsil seizing forceps. Category: grasping. Use: grasping tonsil tissue for removal. Size: 8.5 inch. Additional information: jaw have 3 into 3 prongs. Walsum septal straightener. Category: grasping. Use: straightening displaced nasal fracture. Additional information: rounded tips. Rubin morselizer. Category: cutting. Use: crushes nasal cartilage, enabling repositioning of the septum to midline. Size: 10 inch. Additional information: 15 mm into 5.5 mm jaw. House gel foam pressure forceps. Category: clamping. Use: compressing gel foam. Thinning fascia graft. Size: 6 inch. Additional information: flat blades. Cartilage cutting board. Category: accessory. Use: providing flat hard surface to reshape cartilage or graft. Size: 3 inch into 5 inch. Additional information: Teflon coated. Fraser suction, also known as nasal suction, neurosuction. Category: suctioning. Use: suctioning small quantities of fluid from nose or ear. Suctioning in small areas. Size: 6.5 inch. Additional information: short or long tips, diameter 6 French to 16 French. Metal or disposable angled. Laryngeal mirror, also known as dental mirror. Category: viewing. Use: visualizing the mouth, pharynx and larynx. Night polypus and turbinate forceps. Category: cutting. Use: cutting and removing pieces of septal bone. Size: 6.75 inch. Additional information: double action through cutting blades. Jensen-Strucken septum forceps. Category: cutting. Use: cutting and removing pieces of septal bone. Size: 7.75 inch. Additional information: double action through cutting blades. Jensen-Millotton septum forceps. Category: cutting. Use: cutting and removing pieces of septal bone. Size: 8 inch. Additional information: double action spoon shaped blade. Bruining ethmoid exentration forceps. Use: cutting and removing ethmoid bone. Size: 2 inch working length. Additional information: sharp fenestrated jaw. Cotal columella clamp. Category: retracting. Use: retracting anterior septum. Size: 4.25 inch. Additional information: fenestrated 11 mm jaw. Cotal speculum. Category: retracting. Use: retracting nasal wall to allow visualization of nasal passage. Size: 5.75 inch. Additional information: narrow blades. Gruber ear speculum. Category: viewing. Use: allow visualization of ear canal. Additional information: 8 sides. Buchron ear speculum. Category: viewing. Use: allow visualization of ear canal. Additional information: 8 sides. Trusotracheal dilator. Category: dilating. Use: dilating tracheal stoma. Size: 5.5 inch. Additional information: jaw width 3 mm or 6 mm. Love nasopharyngeal retractor. Category: retracting. Use: retracting soft tissue in nasopharyngeal area. Additional information: blade width 18 mm to 25 mm angled. Jensen retractor, also known as mastoid retractor. Category: retracting. Use: retracting tissue covering the mastoid. Additional information: blunt 3 into 3 or 4 into 4 prongs. Self-retracting. Green retractor, also known as loop retractor, green goiter. Category retracting. Use retracting soft tissue. Thyroid during neck surgery. Additional information. Solid or open handle. Sluden Jensen mouth gag. Category retracting. Use retracting wall of the mouth. Additional information. Self retracting arm curved to fit the face. McIver mouth gag. Category retracting. Use retracting wall of the mouth. Additional information. Interchangeable blade with 2.5 inch to 4 inch. Self retaining. Cotal septal elevator. Category cutting. Use measuring depth. Removing periosteum from septal bone. Size 9 inch. Additional information. Double ended graduated in centimeter. McEntee septal elevator. Category cutting. Use dissecting tissue from septum. Size 5.75 inch. Additional information. Flat curved blade. Baron Hill curette. Category cutting. Use scraping away adenoid tissue. Size 8.5 inch. Additional information. Size 0 to 4. 11 mm to 19 mm blades. Myringotomy knife, also known as tympanostomy knife. Category cutting. Use making incision into tympanic membrane for releasing of fluid and insertion of tube. Size 7 inch. Additional information. 3 mm to 5 mm swivel blade, straight or bayonet style. Ballinger knife, also known as swivel knife. Category cutting. Use blade on a swivel for cutting nasal tissue. Size 8 inch. Additional information. 3 mm to 5 mm swivel blade, straight or bayonet style. Cotal chisel osteotome. Category cutting. Size 7 inch. Use cutting nasal cartilage or bone. Additional information. Round corners, blade with 4 mm to 12 mm. Depth marking on blade. Anderson-Nevert osteotome. Category cutting. Use filling nasal bone. Size 8 inch. Additional information. Blade has single guard, straight or curved right or left. Miller bone file. Category cutting. Use filling nasal bone. Size 7 inch. Additional information. Single cut or cross cut blade pattern. Melt lipset rasp. Category cutting. Use cutting smoothing nasal bone. Size 7.5 inch. Additional information. Straight down cutting blade. Horizontal and vertical ridges. Cleanert cuts rasp. Category cutting. Use cutting smoothing nasal bone. Size 8 inch. Additional information. Double-ended. Foreman nasal rasp. Category cutting. Use cutting smoothing nasal bone. Size 8.5 inch. Additional information. Double-ended both blades down cutting. Pack Joseph scissor. Category cutting. Use cutting fine tissue or mucous membrane. Size 5.5 inch. Additional information. Blades sharp or blunt, straight or curved. Botcher tonsil scissor, also known as Botcher dissecting scissor. Category cutting. Use cutting tonsil tissue. Size 7.25 inch. Additional information. Curved double-ended blades. Heyman knife angular scissor, also known as knife angular scissors. Category cutting. Use cutting nasal tissue. Size 7 inch. Additional information. Angled blunt blades. Cotal angular scissor, also known as turbinate scissor. Category cutting. Use cutting nasal tissue. Size 6.5 inch. Additional information. Heavy narrow rounded blades. Kaplan septal scissor. Category cutting. Use cutting nasal tissue. Size 8 inch. Additional information. Double action straight or angled blunt tip.